Hi guys, so my name is Andrew Charlin. I'm a licensed plumber and I'm also a qualified mass safe heat pump installer. So in this series we're going to be installing a whole house mini split installation to get our clients the biggest rebate. And they currently have oil fired system, but we're going to be installing the whole house Mitsubishi Hyperheat mini splits. It's going to be 2 outdoor condensers and 5 indoor heads. So please follow me along, and I will show you exactly how we're going to do this. So right now I have to offset this water main because electrician, see, they have an old service, 100 amp service. So our electrician's gonna install a 200 amp service here. So I need to move this water main out of the way. I need to move it 4 feet away. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. Yeah, this is their existing oil-fired boiler, which they will not need once we install the Hyperheat mini split heat pumps. So yeah, I will be happy to show you the complete installation from start to finish. So please subscribe, subscribe, and keep watching. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Yeah, guys, so right now I want to install a little drain for the water main, so that way it's easier for the homeowners to when they shut the water in case of emergency, they can open this valve and it'll all drain everything from the water, from the pipe. So check it out. I've got this boiler drain, and what you do is you just put a little Teflon, and you don't need to put any pipe dope. Just put I use Monster. It's the best Teflon. And then you just screw that into the fitting. Yeah, so this is going to be a big job, but I'm excited to do this job and to have you follow me along. But right now I'm just upgrading this water main so that electrician can mount his panel over there, because it has to be so many feet away from the water line by code. So there you go. I screwed that into there. Now I got a little short piece, stub out. I'm gonna insert that here, like that. And then I just use my Pro Press . Make sure everything's straight. I'm gonna switch the jaw to 1/2 inch. And press this fitting. So I hope you can see well. Okay, so now I have to install another rod. I have to measure the rod. So I need to mark the pipe. I like to use my cutter. My automatic cutter. Whenever there's old pipe, you wanna clean it, so that way when you put the pro press fitting, it has a good connection and doesn't leak. So you wanna clean it. I like to use paper towel. Okay. Put a 90. Take a measurement. So let's say 21. The old pipe is still good because it's type L copper. It doesn't go bad. Copper is expensive these days. I like to use this to ream the pipe on both ends, inside and out. Put the pipe here. guys, plumbing is not easy. Especially if you're doing it. The older you get, the harder it is to I'll put the clamp, secure the clamp. I use the wrench to make it nice and tight. Tighten the 3/8 nuts, so the pipe is nice and secure. Now we take a measure. Quarter. I always like to bring the pipe just so that you don't damage there's a rubber gasket inside here. So if you don't ream the pipe, this could cut the gasket and then you'll have a leak. And insert that. Put back the 3/4 jaw. Connect over there. This piece connected to the meter. Alright guys, so there you go. Connect the water main, put a bracket here. another all the way to the meter. So let's carefully open the valve. Make sure it holds. Okay, it's good. Now we slowly open this valve. There you go, guys. We offset the water main. So tomorrow, our electrician's gonna change out that service from 100 amp to 200 amp. So we can accommodate two of the condenser on each side of the house. One there and one there. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.